diagnosed, that summer the whole ALS Ice Bucket Challenge phenomenon went viral. Everyone that I knew and their mama's baby's mama doing the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, dumping ice water over their head. Nobody talks about this disease because it's ugly, you know, that doesn't go viral, but as soon as somebody does something random and fun, and then it went viral, it blew up. First day I got 100,000 views. And then the next day I got 1 million. We're getting all this love and encouragement, all these words of affirmation, like it was just insane. The biggest thing to me meant that I wasn't alone. For a disease that literally will take away my voice, for a demographic of people that is small and underserved and has never gotten the level of awareness that it's ever needed, this was huge for us. But we still need a lot more support, you know. I know it was one summer of fun, but this disease is every day for us, you know, and it's still here, and there's still no cure. And so we need continued support until this beast is gone.